Most traders lose money not because they can't read charts, but because they don't know which direction the market is currently fighting. The Supertrend indicator solves that problem in one single color. Think of the Supertrend line as either a floor or a ceiling, nothing else. When it's green and sitting below the price, it's a floor. That price is standing on top of it. The market has something solid underneath it. That's going to be an uptrend. The second it flips red and jumps above the price, that floor just became a ceiling. Now the price is underneath it, getting pushed down. That's going to be a downtrend. Same line, same indicator, two completely opposite meanings. One position means the buyers are in control, the other means the sellers are in control. You don't need to memorize anything complicated. Just ask yourself one question every single time. You open up the chart, is the line your floor or is it your ceiling? Answer that question first, everything else comes after because it's so much more clear. Rule 1. The entry filter. If the Supertrend line is green and sitting below the price, you are only looking for buy setups, full stop. You do not short at all. You do not second guess, you don't overthink. Green below means the bulls are in control of the market right now, so you should only be doing longs. Your only job in that moment is to find entries on the long side. It takes half the work away from right there because you're going to double think, triple think. Don't think about it, you're only doing buys. Fighting that signal is how most traders lose money on a setup, and it happens way more than you would expect. Now, why would you short in a market that is clearly moving in the clear upward direction? Rule 2, and this is a very easy one. This is going to be your exit signal. If price closes a full candle on the opposite side of the Supertrend line, that trend has officially flipped, and now that's going to be your exit. When you go from having your floor turn into your ceiling, it's time to close the trade. Not a wick, not a touch, a full candle close. And here's why that matters. Wicks happen constantly. Price pokes through levels all day long, but as long as it doesn't close above it, you're going to be thinking in a different way. But a full candle close on the other side, that's the market telling you the momentum has actually shifted and you need to pay attention. Most traders get shaken out on Wicks and miss the real move entirely. They exit early, watch the price reverse back, and wonder what the hell happened. The rule is very, very simple. Wait for the close, one candle, that's your confirmation, and get out of your position. So let's lock this in so you guys can actually make some money. When it's green and below, you're only looking to buy. When the red and you have the ceiling, you're only looking to sell. Full candle close, the trend has completely changed, and that means it's time to sell that position. That's the entire mental model for the Supertrend indicator. No overcomplication, no guessing, nothing like that. Just one line telling you which side of the market to be on, and one rule telling you when that side has changed. If you want to trade this for real, I have a full walkthrough linked in my description, including the exchange I personally use. If you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that like button and hit the hype button. It helps out the channel more than you guys could possibly imagine. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. I'm currently working with VizNow AI to create all the motion graphics that you guys have been looking at. I'm really curious how you guys think it's going. Do you guys like the motion graphics? Do you guys think they could be fixed up a little bit? Please let me know because I'm giving them your feedback. That way they can make a better product. I'm not being paid for this. I've become a little bit more of a mad scientist testing out their product.